This clause says that the citizens of each state shall be entitled to all privileges and immunities of citizens in the several states. The framers added this clause in hopes of encouraging travel between the states. They wanted U.S. citizens to feel secure in their travels between states and know that they would be guaranteed the same general rights everywhere in the U.S. Throughout history, the Supreme Court has narrowly interpreted which rights are provided through Article 4. Some of the rights that are protected include the right to acquire and possess property, the right to bring and defend actions in a court of law, and the right to receive the same tax treatment as the citizens of the taxing state. For example, the state of Georgia can charge a sales tax on all groceries, but Georgia can't charge one tax rate for its citizens and another for non-citizens. But this doesn't mean that states can't ever charge a higher rate for non-residents. The Supreme Court ruled that state universities could charge out-of-state residents a higher tuition rate. There's a second Privileges and Immunities clause found in the 14th Amendment to the Constitution. This clause says that no state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States. This clause was added after the abolition of slavery and as a part of the 14th Amendment's equal protection guarantees. Though slaves were now free under the federal law, Congress wanted to ensure that the states respected the new rights and freedoms of the former slaves. It's helpful to remember that not all states were in favor of abolishing slavery. The two clauses work together to guard the fundamental constitutional rights of individual United States citizens. They also prevent state governments from discriminating against out-of-state citizens or from favoring its own citizens over the citizens of other states. Generally, this means that a state can't deny rights to people simply because they aren't citizens of that state.